All right. I've gone through your computer's browser history, and you seem to have a type.
The Dark Souls, bitch! Wait.
Nah. Wow, what is that? Oh! Oh! Crazy, man. Absolutely wild. Oh, all right. So Gyro, Rogue Wave, saw them both recently from the GBB eliminations that I reacted to just this week. Funny because Rogue Wave came in first place for the elimination rounds, and Gyro came in second place for the elimination round. So having these top two teams together here, yeah, it only makes sense, right? Not unsurprisingly, they complement each other's kind of styles very, very well. You know, Rogue Wave has the kind of capability to lean into any kind of genre of music, so you can put them, place them anywhere with anybody, and probably get an amazing soundtrack because their adaptation is just next to nobody. Gyro, on the other hand, a little bit of an unknown. Everything we saw from them as of recently has been more musically oriented. I'm not saying that they can't dwell into like any other kind of like a style or genre of music, but everything that we saw from them is very musically based, right? So I think, yeah, having Rogue Wave here kind of tackle the more like technicality part of the idea of the structure of the routine here, and just having, you know, John T purely responsible for the lows and the basses, and Yamari with his melodies there, and then, you know, Collapse just completely taking over all the drums and the techniques, and River just kind of sprinkling in and complementing every little aspect of the routine itself. Absolutely perfect. Then obviously seeing like that towards the end, that one portion, I think it was like the tooth trumpet that River likes to do, and I think Yamari was kind of harmonizing off that with his own like kind of like version of a trumpet, or I don't really know what that sound was called that he was doing, but they're kind of like layering it and descending the beat, the pitch of it. Oh my god, that was absolutely crazy. Such a good complementation between River and Yamari there. Yeah, that was better than I actually thought it was going to turn out to be. I thought it was going to be good because I thought like putting these two guys or these two teams together would be such a good combination, just because of like what each team is capable of doing. And now seeing it and listening to it, my expectations were actually exceeded, surprisingly enough. So mental, absolutely wild track there. Really enjoyed it. So if you guys enjoyed what you heard here, leave a like on the original video. Links in the description. Go check out Jairo's YouTube channel here. Links in the description to them as well. If you want to support me, leave a like on this video. Sub to my channel. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next beatbox reaction video.